I am going to do this for 100 days. Okay, तो जिनको नहीं पता, I have decided to shift houses and I have moved into a different place. And speaking of new beginnings and all that, my idea was कि अब मैं नए घर में आ रहा हूँ, तो बहुत like it was a new year, shifting houses, all that. तो मैं सोचा यार बहुत चीज़ें हैं, बहुत ideas है दिमाग में जो मेरे को execute करने हैं. So this was one of the ideas where I am going to do this for 100 days. Day 1 out of 100, day 2 out of 100, where मैं हर दिन कुछ ना कुछ जो मेरे को ऑब्जर्व किया, जो मेरे को हिट किया, I'll just talk about that, whether it might be related to acting. I'll preferably try to keep things acting related, but I don't know if it's going to be acting related all the time. But हाँ, I mean, I don't know. मैं खुद से पहली बार ही कर रहा हूँ. It's not that I have experience doing this, but I guess that's the idea. And मैंने आज मतलब see, the reason why I'm shifting houses, this is what my observation was. The reason why I'm shifting houses is because मेरी landlady से उतनी नहीं बन रही थी. And I don't know how to explain this. It's because she was too obsessed with her house. Obsessed in the sense like she was excited about seeing her house again. She was excited about seeing the pillows again and all that. And I just gave her a piece of advice while leaving. I was like, Auntie, can you do me a favor? She's like, yeah. I'm like, can you not rent this flat out anymore? And she's like, why? And I'm like, मतलब मैं उनको उस point पे समझा नहीं पाया, but it's that obviously I felt a bit off by some things that she did, but उनके point of view से तो she's attached to that house, it's not her fault, right? तो उनके लिए तो normal ही था. So इसका मैं acting related मेरा ये था कि यार अगर तुम as a character तुम्हारे को पता होगा कि तुम्हारी obsession क्या है, sometimes जैसे कि तुम्हारे को अपना want पता होना चाहिए scene में and all that and everything, तो तुम्हारा scene crack हो जाएगा. If you know what you're obsessed with and if you know what your final goal is as a character, तो तुम कोई भी सीन क्रैक कर सकते हो. comes down to the same thing basically. अगर तुम्हारा want clear है सीन में, अगर तुम्हारे को पता है तुम्हें क्या चाहिए और तुम्हारा aid, your innate desire, if you know what it is, तो it's very easy for you to grab hold of a character. फिर बाकी सारी चीज़ें they just circle around it, they just revolve around it. But that's just my thought. और मैंने तो आज यही ऑब्जर्व किया. अब मैं चला, मेरे को सामान सॉर्ट आउट करना है, तो मम्मा आके मारेगी. Right?